I came to the village and I was just trying to fly my drone with my cousin in the village to capture the village pond, but unfortunately my drone DJI NEO crashed because it was distracted by the water and it was crashed badly. And you can see the footage that it was underwater. It survived around 23 seconds before it died. So I was so sad and I was thinking I couldn't recover my drone. Fortunately, my cousin found the drone underwater of the pond within 5 minutes. After that, I just brought my drone in the rooftop and I disconnected the battery from the main body of the drone and I put them under sunshine. You can see this way I left them for a while, and after that I noticed the water, it was going away by itself because of heavy sunshine. Fortunately, after 2 hours, when I placed the battery in the proper place, the drone start working normally. So this way you can recover the DJI NEO drone even if it's sank underwater.